In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ban words on Discord. If you've ever wanted to manage conversation more effectively on your server, this guide is for you. Stick around as we walk through the process of setting up word bans to keep things orderly and respectful. Let's start with the basics. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to discord.com. Here you'll find the login option in the upper right corner of the website. Click on login and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials, your email address, and password. Once that's sorted, click on login again to access your account. This will take you to your Discord dashboard where you can see all your servers and friends. Now, the most effective and highly recommended way to ban words on your Discord server is by using Discord's built-in AutoMod feature. AutoMod acts like your very own assistant, automatically checking messages before they're sent. This means it can catch and manage restricted content right on the spot. Depending on your preference, AutoMod can delete the message, issue an alert, or even time out the user. Keep in mind, to set this up, you must either be the server owner or possess the manage server or administrator permissions. Additionally, your server needs to be a community server as AutoMod is only available there. So the next step is to navigate to your server. Once inside, look towards the top left corner of the Discord app and click on your server name. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Server Settings. Within the array of options on the left sidebar, you'll find one titled Moderation. Click on AutoMod and you'll be taken to the AutoMod settings. Now you'll see a section named Block Custom Words. Click on Setup or Create. Either option works to get you started. Here, you should give your new rule a descriptive name, perhaps something intuitive like banned words list. Next, in the provided text box, type out all the words or phrases you want to restrict. Make sure you cover all bases, including slang or variations, to ensure nothing slips through the net. After listing these words, you can select which action Discord should take when a banned word is detected. The choice is yours. You can have it delete the message, send an alert to a designated moderator, or impose a timeout on the user. Additionally, if there are specific roles or channels that should be exempt from this rule, such as trusted moderators or private staff channels, you can set these exemptions at this stage. Finally, once everything is entered to your satisfaction, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes to activate your new rule. And there you have it. With AutoMod now in place, your server is on its way to being a well-managed community space. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to tune into more of our guides for helpful tips on mastering Discord and keeping everything running smoothly.